Hey everybody, and today on Elevators, Escalators, and More, we are going to be taking a look at this wonderful room air conditioner. Let's take a look at the data sheet. No, just kidding. I just wanted to start this video off by just saying thank you. Thank you so much for the 100 subscribers. It means so much to me. Without you guys, I would have been nowhere, because if you don't know, I was previously on Spotify. No one was watching my podcasts, and when I went on YouTube, I absolutely exploded in popularity. So, as a thank you for this amazing achievement, I want to do something special. Today, we're going to be going to the driveway HVAC Heaven. Although I can't drive, I have my bicycle with me, and I have my GoPro camera mounted to the front. So, let's hop on the bicycle. So safety first, we got to get our helmet on. So we're going to be leaving Stamford and going into Greenwich. So you know what that means? Let's cue the time-lapse music. Well, we're finally here. Let's get started. So first, we got this guy right here. It's a Bryant from 2023. Hi, I live here. I'm an engineering student. I'm on an assignment, like studying the air conditioners here.
I can't help you right now, but good luck.
Thank you. That's totally fine. Have a great day. Then we got this pane right here. It's from 2005. And then we have these guys right here. We have a Train aux box from 2022. And an Allegiance 13 from 08. Finally, we got this guy. It's a Heil cube unit from 2006. And she believed me. And then over here we have this guy right here. It's a Carrier Comfort. That was a bird, not a resident, so thank God. We got this little guy right here, which is a Pane from 2007. Woman walking her dog. So we have over here, we have another Allegiance 13. 2008, I guess. And then over here we have a 38 CKC from 2004 and a Comfort series from 2018. And we got a base model, just like the one I used to have in my old condo before quote unquote moving here, from 2007. And good, got a Train XR. I know you guys will love this. It's a vintage Tech 2000 from 1998. Not sure if it's a silencer system or not. Then over here we have this guy. It's a Carrier Comfort from, I think, 2018. And finally got a Goodman right here from 2017. So we're just gonna walk through here. And we have an Evcon from 2019 and a Carrier from 2021. We got here. This is just yet another Carrier base model. That's a CapCut. We got some old boys. You have a Lennox and what appears to be a Coleman Evcon. Day and night. You have yet another day and night over here. From, I don't know what year that is. XR over there. No, it's it's 2024 Amana. So new. I've never seen those before. Yet another Tech 2000. This one appears to be a slightly newer one. So just kicking back into the 0.5 lens. Some kids were suspicious. I told them what happened. Because yes, I am an engineering student studying air conditioners. So I've never been here, ever, once in my life. Never. Oh, that's just the electrical box. But back here we have an ICP unit. I have unknown year. I'm about to leave. But before I fully get going, and yep, there's my bike. And then they have a couple units back there, but that's private property. I just wanted to get one final look at the Carrier Comfort over here. It's a 2018, I meant, 3.5 ton. So how about this? We're gonna go back home, hop on my bike, and I'll see you there. So we made a quick little stop on the way home to here. It's an American series. I think it's like an old American, a sub-brand of American Standard. The data sheet's completely gone, but it's an old mini split. I've never seen one of these. This might be the only one on YouTube, so I decided to take a look at it for you guys, for the 100 subscriber special. Because you can tell, it does have refrigerant lines. Hasn't been running in forever. So, I've never seen it. The label is American, I think it says American Radiator and Standard Sanitary. So it's basically an old American Standard. I know Free Brick Productions has filmed this before. So I was just biking around because I'm not fully going home yet since the weather is so nice out. I was considering filming the 2004 Weathermaker again, but there's work going on near there, and there's like a van parked in front of it, and I don't want to upset them, so we're gonna make another pit stop. This is gonna be the last stop I'm making before I'm gonna be heading back home. This is at the Greenwich Botanical Center in, well, Greenwich, and we have a Tech 2000 silencer system. Tech 2000 silencer system from 2000. There's another one of these behind Greenwich Avenue with a GE fan motor. I have no idea what kind of compressor that is. If it has Freon in it, it's a silencer system. If it doesn't, It's a weather maker. This is the only air conditioner they have here because it's a park. But it's quite a beautiful park. There's a bunch of people out here walking. So that's the silencer system. So I'm just gonna hop back on my bike and I'll see you guys at home. Home sweet home. We finally made it back home after the Greenwich Botanical Center. So, you know what we're gonna say. Firstly, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. And then for my 150 subscribers, we're gonna be going to yet another condo complex. And it's gonna be a very special one. Conveniently located in Stamford, Connecticut. It's where I was born and raised. It's called the Chesterfield. So we're gonna be going there this spring, so stay tuned for that when I hit 150 subscribers. So again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the for the 100 subscribers. Please like, watch, and subscribe. I absolutely mean it. And you'll soon enough be part of these new specials, like my 150 subscribers special. So with that, I'll be signing off right now. Bye, y'all.